Is Holocaust something that is taught normally in Lithuanian schools?
Well, yeah, of course they mentioned the numbers, how many people died, and that it happened, but I think like in all history books it's few pages, because most of the Lithuanians are touched by the Soviet Union, so we somehow focus more on those, what Soviets did, because almost every person in the family has someone who just somehow was touched by that, or went to prison, or to Russia. So we speak more about that than about the Holocaust.